Okay. I'm feeling like Leonardo da Vinci. Oh. Ah! So I've had an idea to give my flat a bit of a refresh because, as you know, ain't nobody going anywhere anytime soon. We all want to be in a space that just makes us feel good. And guess what? I've got a new best friend. Her name is Marianne. She's the creative director of Dulux. I've got a kit full of things to use for decorating, and Marianne's going to help me do that. I don't think I've used one of these, I want to say, for the past 6 or 7 years. You know, I'd like to think I've got decent artistic skills, but also I don't fully trust myself, which is why I'm very happy about our friendship. So, how are we going to create the magic that I want on this wall?
If you can learn a tango in a week, you will be able to do this with your eyes closed.
Let's get to it.
You've got that fantastic background of brave ground, which looks so good. It's just lovely. It creates that really lovely calming look. First thing you need to do is you're going to measure in 30 centimetres and make a mark.
Cool.
From there, we're going to do 90 centimetres.
Fab, fab, fab.
Now you need your string.
Got my string, got my string.
A length of string that's about the size of you.
Is this about, like, to the top of my ponytail? Bit lower? Yeah?
That's grand. What we're going to do with that string is going to take this white chalk and pull the string over the chalk.
I'm going to go for 3 times just because I'm a bit extra like that, you know?
I'm going to do a little knot at the top of the string. And then at the bottom, we're going to tie something that will just give it a bit of weight. So
Feeling so crafty.
going to get a piece of masking tape and pop that just underneath the knot.
Like so?
Perfect. So line that string up with your mark and then stick it to the wall. I'm going to pull it down a little bit so it's just quite taut, and then I'm going to ping it. And can you see that line?
I want to ping. I want to ping. Aha!
We're going to do the other one.
Ping, ping, ping.
So now what you're going to do is you've got some masking tape, and we're going to put that masking tape on the outside of each of the lines. You need a little bit of string now. Got a little knot at one end, and you're going to stick a drawing pin through that knot. Oh. I'm going to mark right in the middle between your 2 bits of tape where that pin is going to go. So I'm going to use that string and the drawing pin and a piece of chalk to create an arch. Beautiful. Now we're going to add the cardamom pod. We're going to do this arch. That's looking good. Now you need your roller. You're just filling in the shape.
This feels good. The masking tape. Oh.
Well done. That looks amazing. You should be chuffed as a cheesecake.
No, I am chuffed as a cheesecake. Yes, I am. I won't lie. I have got the DIY bug now. I just really love this contrast of colour and obs against the nails. I'm really happy.
Brilliant. It looks beautiful. You've done a fantastic job, Clara. And yeah, now you've got the bug, you can phone me every day.
Oh, I'll be phoning you tomorrow, hon. See you later. Thank you.
See you then.
Bye.
Bye.
Perfection.